guys, you hand up, I'm crossing these stockings with Harvey. Right, there it goes. Right. There's 170 down there. I have a class 170, so 171, sorry, at Brighton or Ashford, I think. Barriers. There are lights, awesome. We have nothing to that. All it was red, making must be a track from that way. Here we have. It's like stopping, to be honest. Is it stopping? Right. Yeah, this like stopping, to be honest. No, it's coming right through. It's not stopping. It's going very slowly though, because of the signal up there. We have. You're watching me. Oh no, it's stopping. 171, 730. 130 to Ashford is what it says. The train down there, it's not coming. Yeah, 171, 730. 2 minutes, 30 seconds, doing nothing. 171, 730. Train that way, so coming. There it comes. There it comes. One seven one 730 to Ashford International. 171 730 to Ashford.